Okay, 2006 Mercedes ml350. Okay, so this engine right here is a V6, and it has the engine code p0172 or 174. Anyways, it's a leak, a vacuum leak, and I found a factory defect. So like right here, there's this line that attaches to this Y right here, and then goes back to this right here, and this line goes up to here, and this line goes underneath here and then to this part of the box. And the defect is where I have that little brass piece, and that's how I repaired mine. But the this is the rubber, so you can see like it had a hole there, but it's from like a kink in the line when they were molding the rubber. It like got thin right there, look. But we still love Mercedes. And that's right at the bend, like where there's an L90, whatever. And that's it for that.